Good job.
Normal.
All right, let's go for this one.
Let's go. Loosen your foot. That's it.
Very good.
Oh.
It's finishing.
Tranquilo.
Yes, it's almost there. Because if it didn't work, I'm going to give it a no.
Is it really stuck?
You'll see it in the video later. You won't even...
How much you were spacing out?
How do you feel? Some relief now?
Yes.
It's funny, isn't it?
I felt it move. I didn't feel pain. No, but I'm feeling
Relief.
It's touched. Yeah, that it goes.
Release. That's it. There. Very good.
Is it almost done?
Do you want to look?
No.
I feel it moving.
Ready. Look here.
What is that?
What is it?
the
It's the nail. Do you feel any discomfort? Anything?
No, it was
Everything's
fine.
fine, right?
Everything's
So your
okay.
experience was good with the
It was super
podiatrist. That's good.
So you don't keep suffering anymore when...
See? That's it, folks. A big hug to you all, okay? Until the next video. Bye.
Oh, want to see?
I'll remove the smaller part, then I'll take out more. Next there. But here we can already get an idea, look. Oh, see how it's jagged. This is where it was messing with the corner of your nail.
See how interesting? You don't feel anything, right? That's good.
Oh.
Oh, now I'm going to remove this part here.
You don't remember, right? Anyone stepping on your nail? Nothing. Not even dropping something on it?
No, nothing.
New sneakers for walking.
You bought it, right?
Yeah, I bought it, but it didn't cause me any discomfort.
No, right?
I attribute more...
There, look, you see what...
When we wet it, we can get a better view of where it's displaced. Here there is also a change in the color of the nail.
Oh. I will teach you how to use the snout. That's it.
Look, see that I made something like an 8 here. These cuts are very delicate. He dries the little parts that have some problem related to fungus, right? That's it, folks. It was smooth, right? Good thing. That's it.